So in adding fraction, for example, if you have 1/2 plus 3 over 7, so you cannot add them directly. So first thing to do is you have to make the denominator the same by multiplying 1/2, both the numerator and denominator, by 7. So 2 times 7 and then 1 times 7. On the other hand, so 3 over 7, since our target is to make the denominator the same, so we multiply 3 over 7, both the numerator and denominator, by 2. So let's have 1 times 7 is 7 over 2 times 7 is 14. And then plus, so 3 times 2 is 6 over 7 times 2 is 14. So since you already make the denominator the same, you just simply add 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13. Over, just copy the denominator, which is 14. Okay? And that's the simplest form for 1 over 2 plus 3 over 7. Thank you. Bye.